Once you receive your RE3 pack, place both ICECORE blankets into your freezer and allow them to freeze overnight. Ensure your freezer is set to -18 degrees for optimal treatment. Each RE3 pack includes 2 ICECORE blankets, allowing an easy rotation, so you'll always have one ready when you need it. When storing your ICECORE blankets, always lay them flat, away from freezer items, particularly sharp or heavy objects that could damage the pockets. When properly frozen, the ICECORE blankets should appear milky white but remain malleable. Before use, allow the ICECORE blanket to sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly. Then insert it securely inside of your RE3 brace and take it to your resting area. Always use a light towel between your skin and the pack to avoid cold burns or frostbite. If you have circulatory issues or reduced sensitivity, consult your doctor before using RE3. To start, thread the loose strap through the buckles on the brace. The side opposite the RE3 logo is usually easiest. Make sure the neoprene side is facing down, with the fluffier side facing up to match the brace. Before applying the shoulder brace, attach the small strap first to make the application easier. Hold the brace in place on your shoulder, then use your free hand to reach behind your back and grab the long strap. Keep the strap flat with no twists, then secure it into the buckle and pull it across your shoulder until you reach a comfortable level of compression. When wearing the RE3 brace, make sure it sits flush against your shoulder with no gaps or air pockets. The strap should feel firm but comfortable, with even compression across the area. If the fit isn't quite right, you may need to leave your ICECORE blanket out slightly longer before applying. We've introduced an extension piece for added comfort on larger limbs. To set up, on a bench or couch, attach the extension by matching the Velcro pieces to the bottom strap. Now you're ready to apply the brace as explained previously with more comfort. For treatment, ice for 20 minutes unless your surgeon advises otherwise. Make sure to put the used one back for later. Remove RE3 before exercises. RE3 is best used post-exercise to reduce inflammation and swelling. Follow these steps to set yourself up for the best possible recovery after surgery.